Hello. Did somebody say Jello? I'm gonna make a very popular picnic dish. I'm making a pretzel salad, but I'm making a strawberry rhubarb pretzel salad. Let's do it, man. I love Jello, makes me mellow. Right on. We're gonna need about 2.5 cups of broken up pretzels. So put them in a baggie and give them a good crush. Let's add those pretzels to a bowl. And 3 tablespoons of sugar. And 3/4 cup melted butter. I'm gonna mix that together and put it in the bottom of a 13.9 baking dish. I'm gonna bake this crust for 10 minutes at 350. I'm gonna let it cool down for like 20 minutes. Time to work on my next layer. Grab a bowl. Add a block of softened cream cheese. And a cup of sugar. And 2 cups of cream cheese. And 2 cups of whipped topping. Let's mix that all together. Let's spread it on top. Make sure you fully get around the edges. Now I'm gonna let it chill out in the refrigerator. I need 2 small boxes of Jello. Strawberry. And 2 cups of boiling water. Mix that real good to make sure it's dissolved. For that, I'm gonna add some thawed sliced strawberries. And I've got about 1.5 cups of stewed rhubarb from the garden. Add that in and mix it up. Now I'm gonna chill it to let it partially set in the fridge. Let's pour that fruity Jello on top and spread it out. And now it's time for the waiting game. Put it back in the fridge to let it set completely. Could take 4 to 6 hours. Strawberry rhubarb pretzel salad. Whoa. Dynamite. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. See you next time. I was gonna tell you a pretzel joke, but it was too twisted. Yeah.